Ladies and gentlemen, as the week starts, I wanted to share with you a few things that we can expect on Itonga this week, starting from Monday the 25th to Friday the 29th of August 2025. Let's start. Monday the 25th of August 2025, episode 126, Not Without You. Sanele is torn between doing what is right and letting go. Pinda is conflicted about his next move and he is forced to make a tough decision. Then, Tuesday, the 26th of August 2025, episode 127. I will be your protector. Sanele reassets his leadership. The consequences of Pinda's betrayal starts to eat him, and Zama remains defiant. Wednesday, the 27th of August 2025, episode 128. No way back. Pushed to the edge, Zama makes a decision that leaves someone in her life devastated. Are the Dladlas and the Magwazas ready to bury the hatchet, or are the wounds too deep for peace? Sanele lives a nightmare that spills into reality, threatening everything he has fought to protect. Thursday, 28th of August 2025, episode 129. The last day. As Sanele prepares to say goodbye to the brother who has haunted his every breath, Zama faces the ultimate betrayal and some choices leave no survivors. Then the last episode of the week, which is the Friday episode 130. Gala still persists in proving to the Magwaza family and the Ntanzi family that he is more powerful than all of them combined. So ladies and gentlemen, that is what you can expect on Itonga this week from Monday the 25th to Friday the 29th of August 2025. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.